Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find your favorite photos on your iOS 18 iPhone very quickly and easily. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. And let's get started with you and me. And friends, I will say that after the update to iOS 18, the look of your gallery has changed a little bit. So it can be a little bit difficult to find folders that you used to be able to find easily, including your favorite photos. So, in order for us to work with you to find your favorite photos, open your gallery. Next, you'll need to scroll down through it. Down here at the bottom, quite far away from all the photos, you'll find a section like this, where you'll have your media files categorized into screenshots, videos, maps, downloads, and favorites, as you can see. You'll need to click on this folder. And this is where you can see all your favorite photos. And you can remove them from favorites when you open some photo. And at the bottom, you'll need to click on the heart. So this photo will be instantly removed from favorites. And to give a photo to such a folder, you will have to do the same thing. In the option where you have all the photos, you will find the one you like. Open it up. And at the bottom also, click on the heart. And as you can see, when it turns blue, it means that the photo is added to favorites. That's the way it is, friends. You can quickly and easily find your favorite photos in your gallery. I really hope, friends, that you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you, friends.